Hey everyone, welcome back to Feature Films and Documentaries, your gateway to discover wild wonders. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the heart of the animal kingdom, featuring some of nature's most majestic giants. Hippos, rhinos, Indian boar, American bison, African and Asian elephants, and giraffes. Buckle up as we dive into their amazing worlds. Let's start with the surprising heavyweight of the water, the hippo. Despite their seemingly lazy demeanor, hippos are among the most dangerous animals in Africa. These massive creatures can run surprisingly fast on land and are fiercely territorial. Their thick skin and aquatic lifestyle make them uniquely adapted to life in rivers and lakes. Who knew such a bulky beast could be so agile? Hippopotamuses or hippos are remarkable semi-aquatic mammals native to sub-Saharan Africa. Recognized by their barrel-shaped bodies, large mouths and thick skin, hippos are uniquely adapted to life both in water and on land. Despite their somewhat sluggish appearance, they can be surprisingly aggressive and are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa due to their territorial nature, especially in rivers and lakes. These creatures primarily feed on grasses, venturing out at dusk to graze before returning to the water to cool off and protect themselves from the sun. Their presence in aquatic ecosystems plays a key role in nutrient cycling and habitat maintenance. Understanding and protecting hippos is vital, as they are not only a symbol of the wild African landscape, but also a crucial part of their ecosystem. Next up, the North American plains, where the mighty bison reigns supreme. Once roaming in vast herds across the continent, these rugged creatures are a living symbol of the wild frontier. Bison nearly vanished from the landscape, but thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, they're making a comeback, reminding us of nature's resilience. Bisons are one of North America's most iconic and formidable mammals. These impressive creatures are renowned for their robust size and power. Adult male bisons can weigh between 1,000 to over 2,000 pounds, with females being somewhat lighter, and they often stand around 5 to 6 feet tall at the shoulder. Their massive build is not just a testament to their strength, but also a vital adaptation for surviving the harsh conditions of their environment. Historically, bisons roamed the vast prairies, grasslands, and river valleys across the continent, where their grazing played a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Today, thanks to extensive conservation efforts, these majestic animals can be found in protected areas like Yellowstone National Park. In these habitats, bisons continue to shape the landscape, promoting biodiversity and helping to sustain the natural rhythms of the grassland ecosystems. Moving on to the gaur, the unsung giant of the wild. Also known as the Indian bison, the gaur is the largest species of wild cattle. These impressive animals can weigh over a ton and are as powerful as they are majestic. Found in the dense forests and grasslands of South and Southeast Asia, the gaur plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem. Gaur, often known as the Indian bison, is the largest wild cattle species in the world. Adult males can weigh up to around 1,200 kilograms or roughly 2,600 pounds and stand about 150 to 180 centimeters tall at the shoulder, while females are generally smaller. These robust animals boast a distinctive dark, glossy coat and a noticeable dorsal hump, making them truly impressive to behold. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions of South and Southeast Asia, gaurs inhabit a variety of environments, from dense forests and grasslands to foothill regions. Their habitats offer a mix of cover and open spaces that are ideal for grazing on a diverse diet of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. Despite their formidable size and strength, gaurs are vulnerable to habitat loss, hunting, and conflicts with expanding human activities, underscoring the need for continued conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures. Now, let's head to the iconic rhino. Known for their powerful presence and signature horns, rhinos are a symbol of strength and resilience. With their thick, armor-like skin, these creatures have roamed our planet for millions of years. However, despite their robust appearance, many rhino species are critically endangered, reminding us just how fragile the balance of nature can be. Rhinoceroses, commonly known as rhinos, are some of the most majestic and ancient mammals on our planet. These powerful creatures are easily recognized by their massive bodies, thick, armor-like skin, and distinctive horns composed of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails. There are several species of rhinoceros, including the African white and black rhinos and the Asian Indian rhinos, Javan rhinos, and Sumatran rhinos. While each species has its own unique features, they all share a few common traits. A predominantly herbivorous diet that consists of grasses, leaves, and occasionally fruit, and a generally solitary nature. Their considerable size, ranging from roughly 1,500 to over 5,000 pounds in some cases, coupled with a slow reproductive rate, makes their populations particularly vulnerable. Rhinos also vary in their physical dimensions. For instance, the larger white rhino can stand nearly 6 feet tall at the shoulder, whereas smaller species like the Sumatran rhino are noticeably more compact. Their habitats are as diverse as their species, with African rhinos thriving in vast savannas and open grasslands, and Asian rhinos inhabiting tropical forests and dense brushlands. Each habitat provides essential resources like water and vegetation, which are critical for their survival. Tragically, the very features that make rhinos so impressive have also made them targets for poachers. The demand for their horns in some traditional medicines has led to dramatic declines in their numbers, pushing many species towards the brink of extinction. In response, numerous conservation efforts, including wildlife sanctuaries, anti-poaching patrols, and breeding programs, have been established to help protect these iconic animals. From the plains to the forests, no discussion of wild giants is complete without mentioning the elephant. The largest land animal on Earth, elephants are celebrated for their intelligence, deep family bonds, and remarkable memory. Their trunks are incredible multi-tools used for everything from drinking water to communicating with each other. Elephants truly embody the spirit of nature's wisdom. Elephants are among the most majestic and iconic creatures on Earth, celebrated as the largest land mammals. African elephants can weigh anywhere between 5,000 to 14,000 pounds and stand as tall as 13 feet at the shoulder, while Asian elephants are slightly smaller in both size and weight. Their impressive trunks, tusks, and massive bodies are perfectly adapted for a wide range of tasks, from foraging and drinking to social interactions within their tight-knit family groups. These giants inhabit diverse ecosystems across 2 continents. In Africa, elephants roam the vast savannas, woodlands, and even semi-arid regions where water sources are scarce yet essential. In Asia, they are found in tropical forests, grasslands, and scrublands, where dense vegetation supports their dietary needs. The rich variety of their habitats not only provides the necessary resources for survival, but also supports a complex web of biodiversity that benefits the entire ecosystem. Highly social animals, elephants live in matriarchal herds that rely on strong familial bonds and collective memory, which is crucial for navigating their often challenging environments. Despite their grandeur and resilience, elephants face significant threats from poaching and habitat destruction, making global conservation efforts essential. And finally, the gentle giant with a view like no other, the giraffe. With their impossibly long necks and striking patterned coats, giraffes are the skyscrapers of the animal kingdom. Their height allows them to reach the tastiest leaves high up in the trees, making them perfectly adapted to the savanna lifestyle. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth, renowned for their exceptionally long necks and legs that allow them to reach the high foliage of acacia trees and other vegetation. Adult male giraffes can grow up to 18 feet tall and weigh around 2,600 pounds, while females are generally a bit smaller. Their distinctive patchy coat patterns are unique to each individual, serving both as camouflage in the dappled light of the savanna and as a fascinating natural identifier. Native to the open woodlands, savannas, and grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa, giraffes thrive in environments where tall trees and scattered water sources provide the resources they need. They are social animals, often found in loosely structured groups that allow them to keep an eye out for predators, while they feed on the nutritious leaves high above the ground. Conservation efforts remain critical for these gentle giants, as habitat loss and other human-related pressures continue to challenge their survival. Before we end, let us also see the other large animals of the wild, namely the musk oxen, the moose, the elk, and the eland. Musk oxen are hardy bovids native to the Arctic tundra regions of North America and Greenland. Clad in thick, shaggy coats that protect them from the freezing temperatures, these animals emit a distinctive musky odor during the breeding season. Living in tightly knit herds, musk oxen rely on their collective strength to fend off predators, showcasing remarkable adaptations for survival in some of the harshest environments on Earth. The moose stands as the largest member of the deer family, with males often weighing between 800 to 1,500 pounds. Found in the boreal and mixed forests of North America, Europe, and Asia, moose are well equipped for life in cold, wet environments. Also known as wapiti, elk are one of the largest deer species in the world. They inhabit forests, meadows, and mountainous regions across North America and parts of Asia. Adult elk can weigh between 600 to over 1,000 pounds, and during the rut, males produce powerful bugling calls that resonate across the landscape to attract females and deter rivals. Their impressive antlers and social herd behavior make them a keystone species in their ecosystems. Elands are the largest antelopes native to Africa, with some individuals weighing up to 2,000 pounds. Inhabiting savannas, woodlands, and semi-arid regions, these robust creatures are versatile grazers and browsers. Their massive, spiraled horns and agile, yet powerful, build help them navigate open habitats and evade predators, playing an essential role in the ecological balance of their environments. Together, musk oxen, moose, elk, and eland illustrate the incredible diversity of large herbivores, each uniquely adapted to thrive in their specific habitats, from the icy tundras and dense forests to expansive savannas and rugged mountains. From the powerful hippo to the towering giraffe, these magnificent creatures remind us of the beauty and diversity of our natural world. They each play a vital role in their ecosystems and offer us a glimpse into the wild wonders of our planet. Let's continue to protect their habitats so that future generations can marvel at these incredible animals just as we do today. If you enjoyed this journey through the wild, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your favorite animal in the comments below. Thanks for watching Wild Wonders. See you next time.